Hello guys, I'm Saili, the representative of Team Alpha in IBM Hack Challenge 2020. We are four, me, Shivam, Oshin and Niharika, working on the topic that is AI recruiters shortlist a suitable candidate for specific job role to get a fine solution. This is our project dashboard. This is and this is our project details. We have collaborated with IBM Cloud Platform to get a fine solution. Then we have used Watson Assistant, Watson Discovery and IBM Cloud Function here. Now let's go towards that how we have built a model. Firstly, I am going to show you that how we build the Watson Assistant. So this is the dashboard page of Watson Assistant, and by clicking here, we are launched into Watson Assistant page. See, there are two tabs here. One tab is Assistant tab and another is a Skill tab. By clicking on the Skill tab, these are my projects. By clicking on the AI Recruiter, we are going into Watson Assistant AI Recruiter page. So these are the intents, entities, dialogues, option, analytics, version, content catalog we are used here. So what are the intent, entities and dialogues? So intents are the goal or purpose of the user's question, and the end and I have used we have used here the 14 intents and the entities are the specific details about the question or the statement, and we have used here 19 entities here, and the system entities are those sections which are by default like current date, time. It may be whatever that it may be default, and the dialogue sections are the actual section that in which assistant responds to the user's question, and by using intents and entities to provide the user's interaction. So let's take an example here by trying out the section. See, this is the welcome from the assistant that we have used here in the first node. See, here I am showing the node name, which is welcome node. Now see, this is for the recognition technique for the assistant, and this is a welcome trigger, and they are welcome trigger, and they are the response of assistant for the start node. Now let's see a demo of this. So what the assistant asking to us: hello, I'm a recruiter bot. I have been assigned to pre-qualify candidates and schedule an interview for SSN company. So what's up? All good? So I'm replying back with the yes. See, now it's asking me what's your name and email ID. So I'm giving here my name, Saili, and my email ID is see. Now he reply back me with the another sentence, that is be ready to give the aptitude test. So how he recognized that the how to answer the next question. See here, I have added lots and lots of nodes and their child nodes to for the recognition purpose of for the assistant. See, this sentence is used in this section, which is aptitude starting. Be ready to give the aptitude test. Then I have used here Watson Discovery and Cloud Function. For the understanding purpose, Shivam and Oshin will explain the Watson Discovery and Cloud Function. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is the presentation from Team Alpha. Our problem statement was AI recruiter shortlist a suitable candidate for specific job role. Okay, so we have also created the services such as IPM Cloud Functions, which you can see here. Okay, and also we have used other services such as Watson Discovery, in which we have inserted the data set which are required for our AI recruiter, in which there are various question and answers which is to be asked for the candidate. Okay, all the aptitude questions also and all the basic interview questions also, everything is there. Okay, so this was all about it.